Repeatedly we will be thinking and talking about Vallare. Nothing more than that. Only Vallare helps the thing to some extent, but not to the required amount. So we deal it in this way. By acupuncture, we can 100% treat the autistic problem of a child, and you can make the child normal and attend normal schools. And it is possible. Go to a reliable and best acupuncturist and have treatment done, and have a great day. Thank you. Friends, now let me talk about the obesity, the common problem which this generation is encountering each and every day. Now, the obesity has become a great problem. The reason being, when somebody is obese, what happens? Unnecessary stress to the joints and bones. So naturally they will be landing in joint problem, bone problem, orthopedic problem, all time. So apart from that, the body, when the BMR is totally on the higher side, it will have a stress inside. So naturally all the diseases, even diabetes, obesity, onset related diabetes, it is here in the text. So it affects the whole thing. Right, why it happens, sir? Because of two reasons. One is deposition of fat, another is retention of fluid. This is how one becomes obese. Okay, why on those days the obese people were less, and now it's more? Is only one reason is lack of physical exercises. Number two, wherever always stressed. When you are stressed, naturally all the things happen. When you are depressed, your liver becomes sluggish. So once the liver becomes sluggish, naturally the required amount of fat metabolism will not be taken place. So whatever they be that, it will be kept as it is. So retention of fat will always be a problem for the obesity people. So let me talk about these two things. Number one is, already I told you about the deposition of fat. Deposition of fat comes only because when a liver becomes sluggish, the fat metabolism will not be taken place. You would have seen most of the patients who are obese, they used to come and tell me, doctor, our intake is very little. I take like a child. But fat that I am putting on fat. Yes, it is true. The reason being is, because the liver is not functioning properly, whatever little amount of food he ingests, the fat is literally being kept and it is not being digested as per the normal body. So when you use more water, then also there will be stagnation of water. But when you use less water, but when the outlet is blocked, naturally there will be stagnation of water. This is what is happening in your when the liver becomes sluggish. So that is one of the reasons for the deposition of fat. Retention of fluid, one point in time. But nowadays, each and every patient, the very common problem we are coming across is the patients, most of the patients, they do have hormonal imbalance. Because of the hormonal imbalance, the fluid that has to be sent out, not being sent out, and therefore it has been retained inside. And these are the two reasons for anybody. In general, I am talking about, for gents, it will be always 60% deposition of fat and 40% retention of fluid. For ladies, after 30 years, it will be totally the other way. 60% will be retention of fluid and 40% will be deposition of fat. Right, now how you go about. In allopathy and other stuff, what we do, you burn out, you go for exercise, you go for diet, this is what we say. That is okay. But till you do that, the body will be slim. But once you start doing it, totally, again you will be landing in the same problem. So likewise, in acupuncture, it is not so. What we do, we got certain points for liver meridian to stimulate it. We stimulate the liver meridian. When the liver meridian is normal, the liver takes care of the extra fat that is available in the body, and totally it will burn out. This is a natural one. Then for retention of fluid, what we do? We apply castor oil in the abdomen. You know very well in the filter, water filter, through RO protocol. RO means it is reverse osmosis. The fluid that is inside automatically through the skin pore, it peeps out. So once it comes out, naturally both the things are natural. So day one when the patient comes, we will measure the width of the abdomen at the level of the umbilicus. We will make a note of it. Believe me, after the 21 days of needling, 40 minutes a day for 21 days, at the end of the 21st day, when we measure again, it will be actually, there will be a minimum reduction of 5 to 7 centimeters. I can assure you. No diet, no drug, and no exercises. Nothing is needed. Come here, be here for 40 minutes and go. In 21 days, there will be a reduction of 5 to 7 centimeters. Then again you have to continue the therapy for another 21 days. Again there will be a reduction. But when the reduction size is only half an inch or less than half an inch, acupuncture will not work. By this what I mean is, once you reach your normalcy for your age, for your height and for all your things, acupuncture will not work. At any point of a time, I cannot make somebody very puny. So what is the limitations? When I keep testing it once in 20, 21 days, at the end of the day, when there's a difference between the prayer one and the next one, fresh one, is less than half an inch, then we can stop that. If you take treatment until that time, again you will not put on weight. But in the meanwhile, first 21 days after you finish it up, doctor, okay, let me come and do it again. If you go back, after some time, naturally, only half of it done, you will get back again the obesity. So obesity is 100% treatable, and totally you will lose the extra fat and the retained fluid. So get it done and be happy. Thank you. Now let me talk about the facial enhancement. By this what I mean. At the age of 30 plus, all the ladies, you can see a sagging in the lower eyelid, and there will be a sagging in this area, particularly this area for any lady. And nothing you could do that. But in through cosmetic acupuncture, by putting certain needles in certain places, totally we can remove the sagging. We can actually, the black rings, if you got under the eye, that could be removed. This is called as face lift. It has to be done for a minimum of 20 to 30 days of 40-minute session each day. So when you do that for 30 days, it will be retained for 1.5 years, believe me. You look very fresh, you look very young. You will be totally out of normalcy because your face will become round and you have a youth figure. That is possible. For another problem with the college girls, we usually come across the pimples. This is called as acne. This acne, you have got Humpty number of creams available in the market. I don't underestimate any of the creams. But the problem is because of the internal heat that is coming from inside. You would have seen girls gushing out, blushing. What will happen? The blood vessels, they are exactly very beneath the skin in the face. When the blood comes out gushingly, naturally it becomes rosy. That is the reason, ladies, we talk about rosy cheeks. But when the heat is in the blood, so naturally it will be reflected in this area, and actually you get the blubs because you are burning it from down. So in acupuncture, what we do, we dissipate the heat that is already got into the bloodstream. When we dissipate and give treatment, because there is nothing coming from down, any heat, you are totally cutting it off, the patient becomes normal. And for patients who already had a healing, but the marks will be there, the ditches, you would have seen that. Believe me, totally we can treat that, and you can have a normal face. If you do that for 20 to 30 days of needling, or 40 minutes of needling daily, 100%, even the ditches and marks will go. This is called as face lift, facial enhancement. That is 100% possible through acupuncture. The next one I would like to tell you, friends, is about psoriasis and vitiligo. Psoriasis and vitiligo, you know very well reasons, whatever be the reasons. For psoriasis, we say remissions and exacerbations are common. Yeah, it is common. But in acupuncture, I already talked to you about the heat in the blood. They say all because of the heat in the blood. So our aim of treatment, because we know what the etiology is, because we know why it is coming to a patient. Because the other sciences, even they do not tell what is the exact reason for psoriasis and vitiligo. They say it's the loss of melanin pigments. So this is possible. So in acupuncture, how we go about is, we have to go for 40 minutes of needling a day for 90 days. One side of the hammer where you strike, you've got 7 needles, small needles. So when you tape over the superficial part of the body, it bleeds. When it bleeds, the flow of chi and flow of blood will be fastened in that area, and actually the patient will show result after 90 days. Slowly what will happen in a patches of white area, you can see dots where the hair comes out. You can see black dots, and it is a blend with the nearby black spot. So it becomes a normal one. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. It takes a long time, but you have to patiently wait, and within 90 days we can show results. Once you start seeing the result, you will be very comfortable. And please friends, it is treatable. Kindly have treatment done and be happy. Thank you. And now let me talk about the problems of sinusitis and asthma. In our textbook, in a medical textbook, it has been written, the patient who has got asthma dies at his every breath. Understand, friend? This is the severity of the condition, because even for cancer would not have been written in that way, because the patient suffers to that extent. In any system, it could be stopped, but we cannot make it not to come again. If you got the problem, immediately on giving treatment, you can make them normal. But again, you cannot make them not to have the same problem again and again. So, no question of fully treating it in any other modality. But in acupuncture, we are talking about different types of asthma. Believe me, there are 4 types of asthma. They are very clear cut. So, the moment the patient comes, on looking at the black eye, we can go for a diagnosis of out of the 4 reasons, what could be the reason. Because we know the reason for the asthma is treatable. How we go about this? Daily 40 minutes of needling for 60 days. At the end of the 60 days, I can show you the first result. The incident of asthma may be delayed, or the severity may be very lessened. Likewise, after that, another 30 days of 10 days in a month for 3 consecutive months, the asthmatic patient will become normal. The sinusitis is also the same way, it is treatable. So, through acupuncture, we do not give you any medicine, and once you become normal, you need not continue the acupuncture therapy again and again. In our hospital, we use disposable needles, so no question of needle infection and all. Kindly have the treatment done and be happy. Another problem, as everyone knows it, acupuncture is the best modality of treatment for pain palliation, that is arthritis. Arthritis, you have got different types of arthritis. And again, I am telling you friends, in our science, in our medical and other modality of science, what could be the reason for arthritis? No one knows it. If arthritis comes, the RA factor will be on the higher side, or CRP will be on the higher side, ASO will be on the higher side, likewise we can tell you. But what is the exact reason for arthritis? What is the etiology? We do not know. So, whenever the patient comes for arthritis, we can give them only analgesic. We can make them not to feel the pain, but the problem will be there. We cannot make the problem normal. This is what is happening in other sciences. But in acupuncture, we talk about, these are all Bai syndrome, they are saying. What is this Bai syndrome? Bai syndrome means it's an evil wind. I can ask you one simple question. In rheumatic arthritis, friends, it will be fleeting and fleeting in nature, we are talking about. What is that fleeting in nature? Today they will be having more pain in the wrist. Tomorrow they will be having more pain in the elbow and wrist will become normal. Day after, from there it will be jumping to knee joint and other places will be normal. How come? If there is any infection, due to that infection you have inflammation. But inflammation has to be corrected, it takes at least 3-4 days. How come in one day it keeps jumping? We do not have any particular answer to this question in any of the other modalities. But in acupuncture they are talking about, these are all because of the evil wind that always keeps, you know very well, wind always keeps traveling. That is the reason one day it may be lodged here, that area will be painful. When it goes and will be lodged in some other thing,